What's the value of 8 minus 4 divided by 2 times 3? This small expression splits people into different answers. Some say one thing, some say another. Let's see why. When people first see a problem like this, their brain shouts PEMDAS, which is right. We use PEMDAS, which is parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Many assume that multiplication always come before division, which is wrong. Multiplication and division are on the same hierarchy. So when they appear together, you solve from left to right. And the same rule applies to addition and subtraction. So many people jump and they just multiply before they divide. So they have 8 minus 4 divided by 6, and this will give 8 minus 0.67, with the answer being 7.33. But this is wrong. When multiplication and division are on the same hierarchy, so when they appear together, you solve from left to right, which means we are to divide before we multiply. So here now we have 4 divided by 2. This gives 2. So the question becomes 8 minus 2, then times 3. Then the next thing is to multiply. So this becomes 8 minus 6, and the answer will be 2, which is the correct answer. Subtraction doesn't come before division or multiplication, and when multiplication and division appear together, you solve from left to right. Now try this: 9 minus 6 divided by 3 times 2. Drop your answer in the comment. Let's see who gets it right. See you in the next video.